Google just reinvented the laptop, and it runs on Gemini. Welcome to AI News in a Minute, brought to you by Tavis, the future of interactive video. I'm Jerome W. DeWald. This is Thursday, May 14th, 2026.
Google unveiled Google Books, Gemini native laptops built with Dell, HP, Lenovo, Acer, and Asus, shipping this fall. They blend Chrome OS, Android, and Google Play into one AI-first experience. The new Gemini intelligence platform handles agentic tasks across apps using live on-screen context. This is Google's biggest hardware bet in years. Google's Isomorphic Labs just raised $2.1 billion in a Series B to accelerate AI-powered drug discovery. Demis Hassabis says improving human health is the #1 application of AI. The company spun out of DeepMind and builds on AlphaFold's landmark protein prediction breakthroughs. Investors are clearly betting big on biotech AI. Google and SpaceX are in talks to put AI data centers in orbit. Google already owns 6.1% of SpaceX and has a board seat. Anthropic already finalized a similar orbital compute deal last week. Sam Altman called the idea ridiculous, but when two giants are chasing the same frontier, it's worth paying attention. Rivian just rolled out an AI assistant across its EV lineup. Say, "Hey Rivian," or press the steering wheel button, and it can control car hardware and chain agentic tasks, not just answer questions. This is one of the first consumer vehicles with true agentic AI baked into the hardware. Amazon wants 80% of developers using AI weekly and is tracking token usage to prove it. The result? Employees are burning fake tokens on junk tasks just to look productive. Amazon says usage stats aren't performance inputs, but workers told the FT it's already creating perverse incentives. AI adoption theater is real.
That was your AI News in a Minute with Jerome W. DeWald. Stay ahead in the AI race. Leave your thoughts about Google's boldest hardware bet yet in the comments. Give this video a like and hit subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's AI News in a Minute.